time getting lost. Now I have the starting point. But it was nice, nice waterfall. Saying where's the origin of the water? All this water. Waterfall. So let's start. Time getting lost. I don't even know if I feel like doing this anymore. Spent too much time and energy trying to find the trailhead, but eventually I found it. And now I'm kind of like, I want to spend 2.5 hours more hiking up this mountain. It's a nice little walk though. Oh. Stop here and appreciate this view. I guess I'll keep going, keep moving. This is up here, so I have to climb up these rocks first. Let's see. What it is, just a random structure out here for no reason. Oh, you can climb it, it looks like. On top of it. There's a path here. This way. First, let's go up here. Here, I can still hear the waterfall. Bug just got in my mouth. There's a lot of dragonflies flying around here. You can see them up there though. It's gonna be a long walk. Especially when I don't feel like doing it. That's the worst. too long. I don't feel like it. Wasted too much time trying to find the entrance. I'm still gonna go. Still going up. Coming up on a big rock here. Looks like there's a road. All that. And there's a road. Don't you hate that? So do I take the road? Do I go this way? Pretty sure we take the road to the next trail. Alright. Lookout spot. Ooh. Nice view. So after walking up that road for a bit, come to this spot. I think I still feel like I'm on the wrong trail, but I don't know. This says Fukuchi Mountain, so this will take us there. I don't know the difficulty. I don't think this side is difficult, so let's go. These tracks. I don't know what that is. It's not supposed to be bears here. That looks like a pretty big pole. There's no bears in Kyushu from what I've read, but that was a big paw print. Maybe Inoshishi. I don't know. I hope it's none of the above. After I saw that paw print, now I'm getting paranoid. I feel like something's behind me or something beside me. Keep hearing things. Oh, what a day. Got lost for an hour. Being paranoid from mountain beasts. I don't know. It should be fine. I'll be alright. Just keep moving. I don't feel like doing this today, but we must go forward. It doesn't tell me which way to go. There's a path here and a path here. I think I'll go this way. This looks like the more defined path, so I'll go this way. It's like 1 o'clock. As you can see, it's very dark in here. Cloudy day, and with the canopy of the trees, it's almost feels like it's getting nighttime. It's becoming nighttime. Feels like it could be 7 o'clock, but it's only 1. I think I'm getting close. Soon, according to the map, I should be coming up on another trail. That'll take me to the ridge of the mountain, and from there to the summit, the peak. So let's keep going. coming up on the intersection of a trail. This is the one I took. And so here, bottom one, the top one is the one I'll probably take to go back down. And this, to the top of the mountain, another 40 minutes. Alright, let's go. And you can hear how windy it is right here. Take this right down. Have to get to the top before we talk about coming down. Alright, let's go. My favorite part of hiking is on cloudy days when the mist starts to creep through the forest. And soon it looks like, so you can see a little bit of mist. I want more. So I hope it gets mistier and foggier. Let's hope for the best. Almost to the top. These mosquitoes are starting to swarm. So 40 minutes to the top. Still hiking up a very steep section of the mountain. But I noticed there's this helicopter. It's circling around the mountains. I wonder if they're looking for somebody. If you can hear it. But it's been flying around these mountains. Hopefully they're not looking for me. Because I parked my car in a place I don't know if I can park. And knowing the Japanese, they'll get a helicopter to climb up the mountain to say, "You can't park your car there." Probably. I don't know. I hope someone, if they are hiking, I hope they're already covered. I'm sure it's not for me. So, almost there, I think. It's getting way too steep. Looks like the top's over there. Can't really tell, but we'll find out. Try to get to the top, see if we can get a better picture of it. Looks like I'm coming to the ridge where you can go to either mountain, to the top of either mountain. Which one are you going to choose? Originally I said I was going to do both. But after wasting an hour trying to find my way, I don't know if I want to go to the other one. It's not far. Takatoyama. Maybe I'll go. First I'm gonna go to the mountain that I came for, and that's Fukuchi Mountain. Okay, what's the temperature? 20 degrees. Not bad. Okay, where are we? Huh. Here we are, right here. Here's Fukuchi. You can go all the way to Sarakura from here. Follow the red trail all the way down to Sarakura. Right here. So let's go for what we came for. Fukuchi right here. and we'll go to this one. Maybe. Looks like we have to go this way. Alright, so I'm pretty sure this is the steep part before the summit. Okay. I hate this part. It's always the steepest part, right before you get to the top. Okay, here we go. I'll see you at the top. There's the water. I don't know if it's safe to drink. Other than that, I'm not going to mess with it. Even though I'm running low on water. I can't trust that water. So I'll just keep walking up the mountain. Hopefully we'll be there soon. On the map. Let's see what this one says. Oh, Shakudake. We went to Shakudake, remember? Fukuchi Mountain this way, Shakudake this way. Shakudake is that close. That was the mountain I couldn't remember. Okay, Fukuchi Sancho. Wait, why does it say two ways? Fukuchi Sancho left, then Fukuchi Sancho right. I don't know. It doesn't make sense. I don't know which way to go. Do I go left? Do I go right? Well, let me go this way. It says 0.25 kilometers this way. So, let's go. Maybe this is it. Let's see. I see an opening. Bird singing for me. Shakudake. I'm not going to Shakudake. Why are they talking about Shakudake all the way over here? Looks like we're coming up to the top. Let's see. different trail than the one I took. Couldn't see the one I took anymore. It was so misty, so I'm taking this one. I think this will take me to the same place. So go down this way. Couldn't really see much. So nice to see the walls. But you can still hear the wind blowing the trees and stuff up at the top of the mountain. It's crazy windy up there, my goodness. Like a typhoon was coming or something. But no wind. It's really actually cool right here and calm. But I can hear the wind right there. Still blowing the trees and stuff. It looks like the sun's starting. This happened last time when I hiked the Fukuchi Mountain. It was windy and cloudy, and the moment I went down, it got sunny. And that's how it is sometimes, I guess. I didn't want to do this in the beginning because I got lost on the mountain, but I'm glad I did. I'm glad I pushed through and completed the quest. It looks like going back down into the mountain now. Into the forest mountain. Okay, so when I went up, I went to the left. And then when I came down from the right. This way. I think the right is easier to get to the top. Now it looks like it's getting sunny. But yeah, next time I'll take the right if there is a next time. Now it's all cool and calm, no wind. But up there it's probably still windy like crazy. Now I'm going down. Time to head down. What in the world happened with this tree? I don't even know where to begin. What in the world? I can't get over there because I fought on the mountain, but there's something crazy happening here. I can't get on the other side. Tree blended with another tree, because there goes a vein, looks like a root coming across. I don't know, nature always finds a way. It's pretty crazy. I wonder how long it took for that to happen. Coming down the mountain, now it's nice and sunny and peaceful, a nice breeze. Much different from when we were at the top. That was crazy. Now, heading back down. Coming down the mountain now, and I think Fukuchi is behind that mountain. I think. Maybe it's up there. But it's so peaceful and hot here right now. It's so windy and violent up there. Probably still. I don't know. That was so crazy. But down here, calm, warm, peaceful. Up there is another story. You can hear the waterfall. Heading home. I just checked my map. Looks like I'm taking the advanced course. Whoa, see, that's why you gotta be careful. That branch just fell. I leaned on the tree right here. This tree, and then all of a sudden the branches fell. Oh, be very careful, guys.